everyone. Good morning. How are you? Or afternoon or evening or night, whatever time you're watching this video. I have a sale, a 25% off sale going on in my Etsy store. And I've never done 25% off before. I've done coupons and other things. Yeah, so I'm selling peppers this year also, fresh pepper pods. So you can order those. I have many seeds, sauces, powders, mostly pepper, Scotch bonnet. And this year I'm adding more seeds. I had other seeds like peas and beans, and this year I had cowpeas, and I'm gonna add some more. Anyway, you'll see when you get there. The thing is, if you want fresh pepper, pepper pods. You must order them Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I'm shipping free. Almost everything in the store is free. I think one or two items is not free shipping. Almost everything is free, and there's 3 set of pepper pod choices. So you decide what you want. Okay. I'll ship them, and I also will add more. I always add more seeds and more peppers and everything, okay? So please go take a look, I generally don't toot my own horn. I sit quietly, but this time I said, let me tell everybody. It's for mostly you guys who support me, who's been buying from me, and, watching my channel and encouraging me. And I want to thank you all for all that your support, whether by commenting or buying. If you have any questions, please post below. Foreign people in foreign countries have been asking me, and I'm trying. I figured some out, but I can't ship fresh peppers to foreign. Okay, just USA. All right, and almost everything is free shipping. Okay, I think the sauce is not free shipping, and maybe one other thing. I can't remember. But I'm going to put a link below, and you can go there and take a look, okay? All right? And I want to thank you all for supporting my channel. These are pictures from my Etsy store, Jamaican Garden. Don't forget the name, okay? Jamaican Garden. Browse around there for a few days. Get your 25% off, okay? In my Etsy store. Thanks for watching. Bye.